recording this. So everyone please on your camera before I start this chapter. So the first thing all of you should know is that I'm doing practice of what I left last time. I gave you guys some homework in last part, and now we are doing those homework. Some doubt, Shirin was having this doubt. So can we write, Shirin, x square minus 10x plus y square, okay, minus 12kx plus 57. Clear or not? Shall I put it?
Yes.
Yeah.
এখন equals to 0. এখন সবগুলোকে লেখো তুমি, so x square minus 10x plus k square x square minus 12kx plus 57 equals to 0. তুমি সব x square কে x সাইডে লেখো, x square কে যদি কমন করো it is going to be 1 plus k square, আর 10x কে যদি কমন করো minus 5, 2 কে কমন করতে পারবে 5 আর 6 minus 5 কমন করো 5x কে যদি, হ্যাঁ কারো ডট থাকলে বলো, কারো ডাউট থাকলে বলো।
5x কমন কেন?
5x কেন কমন? বিকজ এখানে 10 আছে, আর ইউ নো হোয়াট, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইউ নো হোয়াট, 5x কে কমন করার দরকার নেই, বাদ দাও। মাইনাস x কে যদি কমন করো ইউ উইল গেট 10 প্লাস 12k তারপর প্লাস 57। এতটুকু সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো? Everybody understood this or not? These 3 steps, everyone understood or not? Hello? I'm waiting for your answer for a yes or a no, and I want everyone to on their camera, please.
Yes.
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 Explain again for me, please.
Kainat is on the camera. Abdullah, Shobai, camera on karo. Camera on rakho. Camera on rakho. Thank you. Now, you guys know that it is crossing 2 points. If it is crossing 2 points, তোমাদেরকে গতবার বলছিলাম b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If it is crossing 2 points, and Nafisa কালকে তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করছো না? Actually, there are 3টা situation আছে. Like for example, if your graph is crossing at 2 different points, it's b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay. Jodi, if it is crossing one single point twice like this, touch and go, then it is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. If it is not crossing at all, any intersection is not there, then it is b square minus 4ac less than 0. These are the 3 situations you should write down. Now, those who are new to me should write these 3 down. I'm pausing the recording. Write it down. Resume recording. So we will do b square minus 4ac less than 0 right now. What is your b here? Your b is this. Your b is this. Okay. So b square na. So I will do minus 10 minus 12k whole square. b square minus 4ac. A হচ্ছে 1 plus k square. Okay. b square minus 4ac. c হচ্ছে 57 less than 0. ঠিক আছে? এখন এটাকে আমরা খুলি, এটাকে খুলি, এটা হবে 100 মাইনাস, আচ্ছা দুটোটা দিস থিং 2 into 10 into 12, দুটোটা মাইনাস হলে কি হয়? আচ্ছা একটা কাজ করো তোমরা সবাই, এটাকে ফলস ম্যাথ দিয়ে খুলো, আর খুলে পুরোটার আনসার কি আসছে আমাকে ফটো পাঠাও। I want you guys to do this. Open this bracket for me. Yalla. Okay, so I actually forgot starting the recording. Okay, so this is what we got after opening the bracket. This is what we got after opening the bracket. Okay, if you guys don't know, whoever watching this video, how I got this, please learn how to open brackets with false method or by using formulas. That's what I did over here. And by the way, this is multiplication. Okay, 57 and 4 is getting multiplied, remember that. Okay, once I got this, I took like terms like k square I took together and added them together. Then 240k is alone, and 100 minus 228 gave me minus 128 greater than 0. If you notice the question, your k square is positive, but my k square is negative. So shift everything on the other side. So this greater than 0 will become now less than 0. Then I took 4 common. Once I took 4 common, I got exactly what I'm supposed to get. Fine. Now they said determine the range of possible values of k. Okay, now all of you solve this for me. Solve this for me by doing minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Use this formula with 2 decimal place. Please solve it for me. I'm pausing the recording. Okay guys, compare করে answer বলো আমাকে। তোমরা আনসারটা বলো কি কি পাচ্ছ? You guys are supposed to get 2 x values. Sorry, k value. My bad. Why is nobody replying me? 0.71. Somebody got 0.71. What is it? I mean, what?
0.71 and 2.15.
14. 2.14.
2.15.
15? Confirm? Okay, 15 then.
Yeah.
Now, you guys know I taught you this. O level also I taught you guys. You can draw this diagram like this now. This is 0.71 and this is 2.15. Eta check karo or eta check karo. And we want what? Less than 0 or more than 0? Less than 0. So we are looking for this area. This part. You will get less than 0 if you go more than 0.71. So your k more than 0.71. And if you go less than 2.5. And if you go less than 2.5. Everybody understood this?
Yes.
Yes.
Divyasha, Suji,
Yes.
Naveen, Arpita, everyone got this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Shirin, Ahmed, Rafsan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Chalo then. Let's continue now. Acha, wait. Resume recording. So fine. I gave you guys question number 12 to do on your own, and you guys were asking C part from me, right? Now listen. Dude, what's happening here? You're having a line L which is perpendicular to M, the chord M, P and Q, chord P and Q. They gave you the coordinates of Q and P, right? First thing they're asking us equation of L, right? Okay. If you have equation of L, what would you do? If you have equation of L, first of all, you need to find the gradient of PQ. These for A part. And most of you did it, though I'm not even doing it. I will just guide you guys, okay? Find the gradient of PQ. Then do M1 into M2 is equal to -1 to find the gradient of line L. Once you got the gradient of line L, you have to find this point P also, na? What is it? Point M. That point M is the midpoint of PQ. So find the midpoint of PQ. So you got the coordinate, you got the gradient. Okay. And the line L is passing through it. You can find the equation very easily. Now find the equation of L now. Given that y coordinate of C is -8. So they gave us, okay, show that the x coordinate of C, it is -8 and 4 also. So we got that also. It's easy. -8, -4. Just substitute -8 in the equation which you got in A part to find B part answer. Now C part. C part, they said find the equation of the circle. Okay. To find equation of the circle, you guys know the circle looks like this: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. You guys have the center with you. -8, -4 is the center. Now you need to find radius. If you want to find radius, this is what you guys are supposed to do. Check radius. You have decimal number. You have point number 1. You have point number 2. Find the distance. Which formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Do it. Find the radius, and whatever radius you get, just square it. That's it. That is the answer. Arpita, is your doubt clear?
আবার বুঝাও।
আবার বুঝাতাম। Okay, তুমি B part পর্যন্ত বুঝে গেছো, right?
হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ। Now C part. For C part, you know this is the equation of the line, na? You know that this is equation of the circle, right? You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you know this is the equation of the circle, you need to have center. I have the center. -8, -4 is the center. Understood that part?
Yes.
Yes. Now all you need is a radius. Radius is distance between 2 points. You have point P, you have point C. Find the distance, or you have point C and point Q. Find the distance. Completely up to you. Butsu ki na bolo?
Okay. Yes.
Okay then. Fine. Good. So all of you understood this part as well. Yeah, they did that. Okay, fine. Then that means I'm skipping this right now. I'm not doing it. You guys can do this on your own. Just look at the answer and you will know it. Let's do one thing. Let's do question number 5 as practice. Yeah, I think that would be a good choice for us. Let's do question number 5 as practice. Then I think once I'm done with textbook questions, I have some really good trick questions for you all. So make sure you guys know that how to do, but later on. First, do question number 5 for me, please. It's 6, 7, 8, 10 marks question. I'm pausing the recording. Try question number 5. Okay, so some of you guys were able to do this. Let me still show. First of all, they said they gave you the circle C with equation so and so. Okay, and verify whether -7 comma -6 is there or not. Okay, so all you have to do in your main equation, you have to substitute -6, and you have to substitute so in place of x, you have to substitute -6. In place of y, you have to substitute minus. Again, I'm sorry. In place of x, you have to substitute -7. In place of y, you are supposed to substitute -6, and you should get answer 0 because your right hand is 0. So left hand also should be 0. So let us try that. -7 and -6. X square plus 18x. X is -7 square plus 18x. 18 into -7 plus y square. Y is -6 square minus 2 into -6. -6 square plus -2 into -6. ठीक है sir? Check करो how much is this by the way. In your calculator, try doing it and let me know. So 7 square is 49. 49 plus 18 into -7 minus 126. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. 18 into -7 is -126. Fine. Therefore 6 square is 36. Therefore plus 12. Okay. Did I make any mistake over here? 49 minus 126 plus 36 plus 12. I think I made a mistake or something, some sort. 2y plus 29. Yes, you have plus 29 also, which I forgot to give. Plus 29 plus 29. So if you do this, your answer is 0. So your left hand side is equal to your right hand side. Hence, prove that -7 and -6 lies on this thing. It's a 2-mark question, A part. Now let's do the B part. Find the equation of the tangent. So they want equation of this tangent from me. But to find an equation, I need a gradient. I need a coordinate. Okay, now gradient, I don't know. Coordinate, yes, I know. -7 -7 -6 is a coordinate. But I don't have any way to find a gradient. Okay, can I find the center from this equation? Yes, I can. How? By doing completing the square method. Excuse me. Come on, man. Why is this error coming suddenly? Wait, guys. Okay, so resume recording right there. So now where I left in B part. First thing I need to find is the center over here because I need to find the center and the radius too. Okay, so what is the center? X square plus 18x plus y square. X square plus 18x plus y square. Arrange all your this thing together. -2y plus 29. -2y plus 29 equals to 0. Is this clear? Now, let us do completing the square method of this. Let us do completing the square method of this. If I do completing the square method of that, can we write x plus 9 whole square minus 9 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square minus of -2 whole square plus 29 equals to 0. Okay, so all of you got something similar? Let me know. And if you didn't understand any step from here, let me know as well.
It should be -1 square, right?
-1 square.
It should be -1 square. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, it should be -1 whole square. Fine. Okay, then now you will get x plus 9 square plus y minus 1 whole square. What about this? -81 plus 29 minus 1. -89 plus 81 plus 29 -81 plus 29 minus 1. Got the -53. Bring it on the other side. It's going to be plus 53. Okay. Now, this should be root of. Your radius is supposed to be Because it's supposed to be square now, so root of 53 square is your answer. If they ask you what's your radius, you will say 53. Okay, no, sorry, root of 53 is my radius. Okay, so now append page, yes. Fine. So what's your center? 9 comma minus 1. So your center is 9 comma minus 1 over here. Check 9 comma minus 1. Now you have to find the gradient. Y2 minus y1. Let me find the gradient here itself. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is it? Minus 6 plus 1 divided by minus 7 minus 9. I'm getting my gradient to be 5 by 16. You guys got the gradient 5 by 16? Everyone? Guys, confirm karo. I have the answer with me also, na? Okay, so let me just check it. Here they got the gradient of CP. Let me check. This is question number 5. It is. Okay, completing the square, 53. Correct. The center of the circle. Okay. It is 7 minus of minus 9. I think I made a mistake over here. They got minus 9. Oh, yeah. I made a mistake. Another one is that the center is actually not 9 comma minus 1. The center is actually ulta. Minus 9 comma 1. So I made that mistake. It is minus 9 comma 1 center, because it has to be always opposite of whatever it is given in the equation. So minus of minus 9, and here it is plus 1. So minus 6 minus 1. Minus 6 minus 1 divided by minus 7 plus 9. Minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 is your answer. Okay. So is it minus 7 by 2? Let me just double check it from the this thing. Yes, it is minus 7 by 2. But this is the gradient of this line. Radius. This is the gradient of radius. I need the gradient of L. What will I do? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So gradient of L is going to be M1. What is your M1 over here? Your M1 is minus 7 by 2 into M2 is equal to minus 1. ঠিক আছে? So কত পাচ্ছ তোমরা? Minus minus cancel. It's going to be 2 by 7. Now, all of you got the coordinates. Minus 7 comma minus 6. All of you got the this thing gradient. Now you can find the equation of L very easily. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Okay. Y minus y1. Y minus of minus 6. Gradient 2 by 7. X minus x1. X minus x1 hobe minus 7. I hope all of you got this. So y plus 6 cross multiply karo 7 ekhane 2x plus 7. So 7y plus 6 sevens are 42 is equal to 2x plus 14. Bring everything on one side. So 7y plus 42 minus 2x minus 14 equals to 0. 42 minus 14, 28. 7y minus 2x plus 28 equals to 0. বুঝছো কিনা বলো সবাই?
Yes.
Okay. So is it correct? Okay. Did they tell us to give our answer in the form of y is equal? Oh, they said it to give our answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. I'm sorry, I made the mistake over there. It's supposed to be like here I did cross multiplication now. There is not supposed to be a cross multiplication here, because I thought they are asking answer from in ax plus by plus c. That's the reason. Otherwise, they said y is equal to mx plus c. Sorry, I made that mistake. Achha, whatever. Find the coordinates of R, the point of intersection of the tangent and y-axis. In y-axis, x is 0, and this is my tangent equation. This is my c part. At y, x equals to 0. You should know that. So if your x is 0, 7y plus 28 equals to 0. Y is equal to minus 28 divided by 7. Minus 4 is your answer. Y is equal to minus 4. Let me double check. Minus 4 answer kina. Yes, it is minus 4. And they said to find the coordinate. So 0 comma minus 4 it is. Find them. Now they said Find the area of the triangle APR. Okay, A I know, P I know. Now I need to know the R also. Okay, so what is it by the way? 0, minus 4, APR. Let's say my R is somewhere over here. Okay, here, this is my R. I know my A, I know my P, I know my R. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. What is the coordinate here? Minus 0, minus 4. Okay. Okay. All I need is how much mark question is that? 2 mark question. All I need is half base into height. That will give me the area of APR. But do I know the radius here? Yes, I know radius. Radius is root of 53. Okay. What's your base? Again, tumra base ta find karo shobai. Distance formula diya. You guys did this method, no? Like this, you guys did, no? Everyone? Radius is root 53.
Yes.
We know that. And you need to find the distance between these 2 points. This point and this point. By which formula? X2 minus x1 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. Butsa? Root of. Shobai ki korche eta?
Yeah.
Okay then. Should I do this completely or you guys understood? I can skip and go to the question back questions now. Guys?
Yeah, understood.
Okay then. You know what? Then I'm skipping this part. All you have to do, use distance. You already know this. Half height, you know. Base, you guys are supposed to find by distance formula. That's it. Then you have to do half base into height to do this sum. Okay, I'm pausing the recording and let me show you guys some sums now. Let's resume recording. So this is a question I found out. It's one of the actually it's a very confusing question. June 2013, question number 10. Okay. So the first thing they said is write down the equation of the circle, but they already informed that the radius is 5. Okay. Now to find the equation of the circle, I need center. Ekane center ami jani na. Center I don't know. How will I find the center? Guys, focus. Huh? They said the radius is 5. That means the distance from here, till here is 5. এটা যদি 0 হয় তোমার x ভ্যালু এখানে কি -5 হবে না তোমার x ভ্যালু -5 হবে আর তোমার y ভ্যালু 9 হবে বুঝছো কিনা বলো সবাই বুঝছো কিনা বলো Sure, I'll do it. Yeah, guys, bolo na tumra.
Yeah.
All of you got this now. So your center here is -5, 9. So that's your center.
How did you get -5?
Because, okay, let me say again. Okay, let me say again. Maybe you were not listening. This is your center. I need to find the center, but they said the radius is 5. Money from this point till here it's 5 units. The radius is 5. Money 5 bar unit. Your x value is 0. তুমি 1 2 3 4 5 এটা কত তোমার x value কত -5 and your y value is what 9. So therefore -5, 9. Is this understood, everyone? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now they said find the equation. Na? So the answer of the equation is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 9 whole square is equal to 5 square. Clear? Shabai? This is my equation. A mark. A, I'm getting 3 points, 3 marks right there. Okay, now let me go to the next one. A line through points 8, -7. Now I don't know where is 8, -7. You know what? Okay. Is a tangent to the circle at C. Fine, not an issue. And at point T. Okay, find the length of PT. Okay, now they said the line L, a line through point 7, 8, -7 is a tangent to the circle at point C. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me draw a tangent over here. Let me draw a tangent for you all. You know what? This is a tangent. Okay, and let's say there is a point known as 8, -7. Because this line is passing through 8, -7. This is the center. Okay, this is 5. This is 5. This is my center. What is your center, by the way? Okay, okay, PT. Okay, at point T, tangent to the circle C at point T. Okay, this is your point T. These are point T, and this is your point P. It is your point P. All of you understood that, na? Point P. Now, what do they want from me? They want length of PT from me. Chalo, then let me use another color. Sorry, it's a straight line. Okay. Can you guys see? It looks like a Pythagoras theorem right now. Okay. I know this is 5 unit. I know this is 5. I know the coordinate. What is it? Coordinate was minus 5,9. Now, I know this coordinate as well. Can I find the distance over here? And once I know this, for example, I can do Pythagoras theorem to find PT. Is that clear for everyone? Is this clear? Okay. এখন তোমরা আমাকে ডিসটেন্সটা ফাইন্ড করে দাও আর পিটিটা পাইথাগোরাস থিওরেম করে ফাইন্ড করে দাও। I'll pause the recording. Try. So all of you got the answer of PT to be 20, and since all of you got it, I'm not even checking the mark scheme. No, let me search another question. Okay, resume. So another question. Try doing this. Jan 2013. Question number 5, please. C2. Try doing this on your own right now. At least finish A part for me. A is 5 marks. Ooh. Okay, so A and B part, you guys, A part you guys were able to do. Can you guys repeat what was this thing you guys got? Let me just check. Pause recording. Where is it? Where is chat? Chat. Okay, you guys got center to be 10,12 and radius to be 7. Okay, so that much information is enough for me right now. Then they said MN. Find the length of line MN. N is the point with coordinates so and so. So it's very easy to do MN as well. Now, the tangent to C at point P on the circle passes through N. Calculate the length of line NP. Actually, you know what, guys? Let me draw the diagram for this. That would be very better for me. Like for example, I have a circle. It has a center of 10,12. It has a center of 10,12. Okay, this is your center. Then it has a line N. Okay, coordinates of point M. The center. Okay, this is M. This is M, and there is a point M. Let's say this is N. N hoche 25,32. Because they said us to find length Mn. So let's find the length Mn over here, right? How much is that? Is your length Mn? How much was the Mn you guys got, by the way, by using the distance formula?
25.
25. Then they said there is a tangent which passes through N. Okay, so let's say that there is a tangent which passes through N. Fine, not an issue. There is a tangent which passes through N, and the tangent is at P. So the tangent is at P. So can you do this? Now check. Is it making sense in your brain right now? Always draw key diagram. This M and P you already know. What was the radius you guys got? 7. You guys got 25. It's a Pythagoras theorem. This is your hypotenuse. This is your 7. This is your Pn. Okay. Now find it. All of you understood the diagram?
Yes.
Everyone? So start doing it right now. Find the Pn for me. Okay, so this is another question I got for you all, because the previous sum you guys were able to do it on your own. Jan 2010, question number 8. First question, they gave us a diagram. It looks like an ice cream cone to me. And they gave an equation of that circle to us, and they said write down the coordinates of N. You can see N is the center, right? Pretty sure N is the equation, center N. Now, if N is the center, 2, minus 1. This is 2, minus 1 is your N. Now the radius is going to be root of 169 by 4. That's for sure. Root of 169 is how much? Root of 169 is what is it? Root of 169 is 13. 13 by 2 is your radius. Okay, 13 by 2 is your radius, and 2, minus 1 is your answer. the chord of AB of C is parallel to the x-axis and lies below the x-axis of its length 12 units. Now the 12 units is very important. They said AB has a length of 12 units. Okay. And what are they asking us, by the way? Find the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. Find the coordinates of A. Acha, okay. তোমরা একটা জিনিস নোটিস করো, এটা হচ্ছে এখানে 6 ইউনিট আর এখানেও 6 ইউনিট। তোমরা কি বুঝছো এটা? Because its full thing is 12 units and pretty sure this is the midpoint. Pretty sure this is the midpoint. Yeah, everyone understood?
Yes.
Fine then. So 6 left এ আর 6 right এ, এখানে তোমার x coordinate কত? 2. 2 থেকে তুমি যদি 6 left এ চলে যাও, it's going to be -4 here না, your x coordinate? Yes or no?
I didn't get.
Your x coordinate here is 2. Yes or no? X coordinate is 2 na? This is 2. তুমি 2 থেকে 6 unit পিছনে চলে যাও, because this is 6 12 total is 12 unit na, so you're going 6 unit back, so it's going to be -4 na, and if you go 6 units towards the right, it is 8 x coordinates. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about, is there anything? Now all you have to do, in place of x, put 8 or -4, doesn't matter, you'll get two values of y, and those two values of y just substitute here and here. What's kina bolo? You got your x coordinates, you have to find your y coordinates. X coordinates eta, x coordinate ta ekhane substitute koro. You guys have to substitute x coordinate here. You can take any one x coordinate, it doesn't matter. Take 8 or take -4, because at the end of the day they both are having same y coordinates. In case you guys didn't notice, they both are having the same y coordinates. So tumi ekta kaj koro, x er jagah 8 lekho and get me an answer of y. You'll get two values of y. Check, all of you. Buchcho shobai? You guys understood my explanation? How I got x coordinates over here? Because they told me there are 12 units. That means from midpoint it's 12 units. Midpoint থেকে 6 unit left এর দিকে আর 6 unit right এর দিকে. So if your x coordinate is already 2, and if you go right side 6 units, it will be 8. If your x coordinate is already 2, and if you go left side, it's going to be -4. Is that understood, everyone?
Yeah.
I'm waiting. Okay, now
Yeah.
if your job, in place of x-axis, please substitute 8 and get me an answer. Get me an y coordinates for me. Okay, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so some of you said me to do C part for you all. Find the coordinates of A and B. I think I already explained how I got -4 and 8. Okay, so let me try that. -4 and 8. So in place of x, let me give 8. So if I give 8 over there, it's going to be 8 minus 2, that is 6 square, plus eta hobe y plus 1 whole square, আর এটা হবে 169/4. Okay, bring it on the other side. Y plus 1 is equal to square is equal to 169/4 minus 6 square. 169/4 minus 6 square. Okay, minus 6 square. Got 6.25. 6.25. Now you root of the answer. Root of answer, that is 2.5. So y is equal to 2.5 minus 1. Okay, there are two y coordinates we are getting actually. Let me check. So 6.25 is jonno root of 6.25 is 2.5 plus minus 2.5. ঠিক আছে? So that means y is equal to plus 2.5 minus 1, and y is equal to plus 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 1. So it's going to be 1.5 or minus 3.5. This should be your answer, because your answer is below x-axis. Check karo. So it has to be a negative, not above. Okay, above it is going to be 1.5, but down it is going to be minus 3.5. So minus 3.5 is your answer. Everyone, you guys got this? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, then you know what, I'm going to end the class right now, but I have to give you guys homework. Okay, so I'll send you guys the file now. Send circle files, and you guys do first 10 questions from there and come from me for me. Okay, send circle file. You have to do send this thing. You have to do 10 questions. Okay, circle number any one file. Just let me know which file you guys are doing, or I will tell you from which. I'll send you 2 files. There are 2 circle files out there. Okay, tada everyone. Then remember first 10 questions. Okay.